Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be installing PPF on the front end of this Tesla Model Y long range. Today we're going to be using a product from Drive Protected. Shout out to Drive Protected, they made this video possible. They actually sent me some paint protection film for the front end of this Tesla. They also went above and beyond, sent me some sprayer bottles for the tack solution, slip solution. They sent me some squeegees, clay bar, and some cleaning products that they have to keep this Tesla nice and shiny afterwards. Before we go ahead and start, I'm gonna wash the car very thoroughly. After washing it, we're gonna need to use the clay bar and clay every single surface we're gonna be applying the PPF on. And also we're going to be using some rubbing alcohol, spray all the surfaces and wipe them off, make sure there's no waxes or any type of ceramic coating on the surface so the PPF could stick on there very good. Alright guys, so I just washed it using that bucket. For foaming solution, all I used was a dish soap because I want to get rid of any oils on the paint. What I'm going to do is go over it again with the same soap, then use the clay bar, which makes it a lot easier. Right now it's all clay bar. Well, not all, only where the PPF is going to be applied. I just used the same dish soap and water to clay bar it, and the paint wasn't really bad. There was a lot of water spots on the hood. Anyways, I'm going to wash it using that same water right now, just rinse it one last time, and then I'll start applying the PPF. I just want to take a second to say thank you again to Drive Protected. I'm using their methods of how to apply this. They have some wonderful videos out there, which I will link in the description down below. Make sure you guys check those out and go ahead and order what you need. This is a must for a Tesla, especially since it doesn't have a grill like a regular car. It just takes all the impact it could, and PPF will definitely protect you from that. And also their stuff is self-healing, anti-yellowing. Also it's pre-cut so it's easier to apply. And yeah, make sure you guys check them out. Okay, the vehicle is all rinsed off right now. What I'm going to do is get some isopropyl alcohol and some towel, spill some on the towel and wipe it down, wipe the vehicle down, get all the oils off. And this is when I'm going to clean all the crevices and between the panels to make sure it's all clean. Just like that. I already did the hood, so you just go like that. The towel is damp, and then just go over the panel. And this is what you get out of there. So this is a very important step. What I'm going to do right now is rinse the paint again. I don't want the isopropyl alcohol to stay on there any longer. This is the slip solution. I put about that much warm water and literally 2 drops of soap, nothing more. And thanks to Drive Protected, all these rolls are labeled, so it's easier to know what you're working with. I want to work on the hood first because it's a flat surface. I want to see how the foam works with me, so I'll try it on a flat surface first. Go ahead, spray this whole thing.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. I know.
The hood is all done. The hardest part was doing the edges, curving the film. It's really hard. You gotta let it dry. It potentially heat it a little bit as well. And I got like a bunch of these that I couldn't get out. These bubbles here that won't get out. What I did was poke them, and hopefully sun takes care of the rest. After all, it's all good. The only complaint is around the edges. The hood was slightly lifted upwards and I had to curve around that, which was really hard. After all, I like my outcome. It's gonna protect it from any obstacles. I'm going to do the headlights next. Getting dark out here, so let me get that done. Both of the headlights are done and the fog lights.
Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me.
Today is another day. I'm gonna do the bumper today. I went with the center only, so I don't have to deal with the wrap not sitting correctly and having creases. All I care about is the front portion and my headlights and the hood, which are done. The lower bumper, the whole portion of the lower bumper is already covered. I'm going to do this part now. I did get the one for the whole bumper. I'm only gonna do this bottom part. Alright. This is a close-up of the squeegeeing process. There's a bunch of these fingers you gotta get rid of. As long as you have soapy solution in the bubble, and then you squeegee it out with the bubble. See, like right there, you're good. This area is dry. I'm gonna need to go in there and fill it up with some soapy solution before I start squeegeeing it out. I'm all set. It wasn't that hard. I just peeled the second half off, resprayed everything on this end, and make sure the sensors lined up. And then I started squeegeeing out. The only hard part were the fenders, lower bumper portion. That's why I didn't want to do the whole bumper. I only did the center because it doesn't really matter over here that much. So yeah, if you can see here, I got some air pockets or that I couldn't get rid of, but the hood turned out really good. Lights turned out good. And then mirrors, I have like small creases like this that come and go. Same with the fender. Everything else is good. I'm gonna wipe this down. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you use my referral link down below for free test drives, and if you want to purchase your Tesla, you can get up to $1,000 off. And please subscribe for more content on this Tesla, and let me know what you want to see. I ordered some tents for the vehicle that I'm going to put on sometime this weekend. Let me know if you want to see that. Thank you guys for watching.